Hi! Today I'll show you how to fix your Marshall Studio headphones if one side isn't working or the headphones won't turn on. This method can also be used for Marshall Major model headphones. Both of these headphone models often have a common issue. The wire between the two ear cups tends to break. Try moving the cable near each ear cup and listen carefully. If the sound comes back in both sides, you've found the problem spot. With this method, you'll be able to tell which side of the cable needs to be fixed. This repair method works unless you have a dinosaur-sized head, because we'll be cutting out the damaged section of the cable and the headphones won't stretch as wide afterward. Your task is to cut out the damaged section, strip the outer jacket of the remaining cable, unsolder old wires, and solder all the new wires back to board and secure the cable. That's it. If you do have a dinosaur-sized head, check out my previous video where I show how to replace the entire cable. Now, let some chill background music play, and let's get to work.
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. What can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.